We're. If you're over 40 and struggling with energy, using beet juice this way, by protecting your mouth's natural bacteria, is the secret to unlocking its full power. If you are over 40, feel like your energy levels just aren't what they used to be, this is for you. Imagine getting through your day with steady, reliable energy, not the jittery rush from caffeine followed by a crash. If you're over 40 and struggling with energy using beet juice this way, protecting your mouth's natural bacteria is the secret to unlocking its full power. It's a simple kitchen trick that can truly make a difference, helping you tackle your day with more vitality. The key isn't just what you drink, but how and when you drink it. This is educational wellness info, not medical advice. Check the description for research citations. So, what's really going on in our bodies after we hit that 40-year milestone? One of the biggest, yet least talked about, changes involves a molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as your body's internal messaging system for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax and widen, which helps support healthy circulation and blood flow. This process is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all your muscles and organs, including your brain. Good circulation is a cornerstone of feeling energetic and alert. It helps you feel ready to take on a walk, a project at work, the daily tasks of life without feeling completely drained. The problem we face is that after the age of 40, our body's natural ability to produce nitric oxide can decline significantly. Some studies suggest it can drop by as much as 50% from our younger years. This natural decrease can be one of the underlying reasons why you might feel that your stamina isn't what it once was, or why you feel more tired after physical activity. It's a slow, gradual change that you might not notice day to day, but over time it adds up. It can feel like your internal battery just doesn't hold its charge as long as it used to, leaving you feeling low on power more often. This is where the magic of beet juice comes into play. Beet juice is naturally packed with dietary nitrates. When you consume these nitrates, your body has a brilliant and efficient shortcut to create more nitric oxide. The process begins the moment the juice enters your mouth, kicking off a chain reaction that ultimately helps your body maintain its nitric oxide levels. This isn't about adding something artificial, it's about giving your body the raw materials it needs to do its job more effectively, helping to bridge the gap created by age. Understanding this mechanism is so empowering because it moves us from a place of confusion to a place of action. The goal is to help your body work as efficiently as possible using a simple, whole food. By supporting your nitric oxide pathways, you are contributing to better circulation, stamina endurance, that steady, reliable energy we all crave. It's a beautiful example of how a simple kitchen staple can support complex bodily functions. This is why using beet juice this way is the key for us after 40. Mini payoff. When you shop, look for alcohol or chlorhexidine on mouthwash labels and avoid them. Here's a piece of the puzzle that almost everyone misses, and it could be the very thing holding you back. Many of us start our day with a vigorous swish of antiseptic mouthwash. We want fresh breath and a clean feeling. However, many common mouthwashes contain strong ingredients like alcohol or chlorhexidine, which are designed to kill bacteria. All bacteria, the good and the bad. The problem is that this can completely sabotage the benefits of your beet juice before you even take the first sip. It's a classic case of one healthy habit accidentally canceling out another. The conversion of nitrates from beet juice into nitrites doesn't start in your stomach. It starts right on your tongue. The surface of your tongue is home to a special community of beneficial bacteria. These tiny helpers are responsible for the first crucial step in the nitrate to nitric oxide pathway. When you drink beet juice, these bacteria get to work, converting those dietary nitrates into nitrites. Without these specific bacteria, this vital first step is skipped, and you miss out on a huge portion of the potential benefits. Using a harsh mouthwash is like washing away your most important allies. So, what's the relief? It's wonderfully simple. You just need to protect these friendly bacteria, become a label detective, avoid alcohol and chlorhexidine. There are gentler, alcohol-free options that help maintain freshness without carpet bombing your oral microbiome. Section 4. Pillar 1. The art of timing and the 90-minute rule. Protect our helpful tongue bacteria. Let's talk timing. Our first pillar. Timing is everything in comedy and in baking. When you drink your beet juice matters if you want steady, reliable energy. You could do everything else right, but drink at the wrong time and you won't feel the boost when needed. Conversion from nitrate to nitric oxide isn't instant. It takes time. Drink and swish. Nitrates become nitrites in your mouth. Swallow. Nitrites get absorbed. Then conversion to nitric oxide happens in the body. Peak circulation effects usually show up around 90 minutes to 2 hours. Use that timeline to plan. For physical activity or mental focus, follow the 90-minute rule. Drink about an hour and a half before you want the peak. Example: fitness class at 10 o'clock a.m., drink around 8:30 a.m. Busy afternoon of meetings or errands, drink 90 minutes before that period begins. Avoid a very large, heavy meal with your juice. Pair with a light snack or have it between meals. Section 5, Pillar 2, the power of preparation and the 10-second swish. Our second pillar is all about preparation, and it involves a step so simple you might be tempted to skip it, but please don't. The common way to drink any juice is to just take a sip and swallow immediately. When we do this with beet juice, we're missing a golden opportunity to kickstart the nitric oxide conversion process where it matters most, in the mouth. If the juice passes over your tongue too quickly, those amazing nitrate-converting bacteria don't get enough contact time to do their job properly. You're essentially rushing the most important part of the introduction. The mechanism here is all about surface area and contact time. Remember, the helpful bacteria that convert nitrates to nitrites live all over the surface of your tongue. The longer the beet juice is in contact with these surfaces, the more time the bacteria have to interact with the nitrates. This initial conversion is critical. Maximizing this step means you are sending a higher concentration of nitrites down to your stomach for the next stage of the process. That ultimately leads to more nitric oxide production. It's like giving your team a proper briefing before they head out on a mission. The relief is an incredibly simple action, the 10-second swish. You don't need to be aggressive like you are with mouthwash. A simple, gentle swishing motion is perfect. Then, just swallow as you normally would. This tiny, 10-second investment of time can dramatically increase the efficiency of the entire process. This technique works with fresh-pressed, store-bought, or beet powder mixed with water. Make sure powder fully dissolves. Swish, then swallow. It quickly becomes second nature. Think of it as activating the juice. This is why using beet juice this way is the key for us after 40. Section 6, Pillar 3. The synergy solution, with a simple squeeze of lemon. Our third and final pillar is about synergy, the idea that some things work even better when you put them together. Just like peanut butter and jelly or salt and pepper, certain nutrients can enhance the effects of others. Beet juice and nitric oxide have a perfect partner, vitamin C. Nitrites form in your mouth, then travel into the acidic stomach, where they can become less desirable compounds. We want to encourage conversion into nitric oxide. The mechanism is chemistry. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It helps in the nitric oxide pathway. In the stomach, vitamin C encourages nitrites to become nitric oxide. It also helps protect nitric oxide from degrading too quickly. Think of vitamin C as a helpful supervisor making sure the job gets done. The relief is delicious and simple. Add a squeeze of vitamin C. Lemon or lime both work. Bright, zesty flavor cuts the earthy beet taste and provides a synergistic boost to nitric oxide conversion. No lemons? Add a small splash of orange juice or pair with vitamin C-rich strawberries. Combine timing it right, swishing for 10 seconds, and adding vitamin C to create a powerful routine. This is why using beet juice this way is the key for us after 40. Section 7. Putting it all together for lasting results. So, let's bring all these pieces together into a simple, practical plan. We've learned that after 40, our natural nitric oxide production declines, but we can support it using the nitrates in beet juice. Protect the helpful bacteria on your tongue. Avoid harsh mouthwashes. Following the 3 pillars gives us a clear roadmap. Use the 90-minute rule for timing. perform the 10-second swish for preparation. Add a squeeze of lemon for synergy. It may sound like a lot, but it's a quick ritual that takes less than a minute. Imagine your morning. Light breakfast at 7 a.m. Around 8 a.m., pour a glass of beet juice, squeeze a lemon wedge and stir. Take a sip, swish gently for 10 seconds, then swallow. Finish your glass. By 9:30 a.m., head out for a brisk walk or start a focused project. Your nitric oxide is getting support. You feel steady, smooth energy. Not a jolt, but a reliable hum of vitality that helps you move with more ease. Not a miracle. Consistency and gentle support. The final result: steady, dependable energy. Enough in the tank to get through your day. This is why using beet juice this way is the key for us after 40. Scientific references and URLs are located in the description and pinned comment.